to please get ready on the stage. Palakpakan naman po natin. Join po. Dalawa po kayo. Parents muna. And then mamaya kayo. Later po. After both parents, parents of the bride, and then parents of the groom.
Sige lang, dito.
Okay? Parents of the upload. So, Pastor and Ate Wen, wait lang po tayo sa side. And then, okay, and then after this, we'll be the Ate Wen and Pastor Ray. So, Kuya Cedric at Kayla mo kayo sa side. I'm calling on the family of the groom and the bride as well. So please stand up. Like, please get ready on this side. So since Ate Wen and Pastor Ray is there, may call in Bianca. Where's Bianca? Bianca. Okay, family and groom, please get ready. Kuno family, you'll be next. And then after Kuno family will be a combination of the bride and groom family.
Isa pa.
Okay, Ate Wen, please join them. Please stay, Kuno family. Please stay there. And then Nino and Nina, please get ready. Please assemble yourself on the side of the stage, please, for our pictorial. Nino and Nina combine, and then... So all Ninos and Ninas, please stand up for and get ready on the side of the stage. Assemble on the side of the stage.
Sasakay ko.
Ninos, tayo na po tayo para mabilis po ang ating show. Okay, all Ninos and Ninas first. And then after that, Ninong to go down for Ninang's moment. And then Ninang's to go down for Ninong's moment. So combine po muna. So, photographers, if you can
Sa harap.
5. And then, ladies po, 5 po dito sa harap. Tapos tabi po kaya, Tito Shirley, dito pa.
Sila po. Yan.
And make sure we can see you from the window. One, two, three.
Okay, Ninong, please go down first walk and wait for your turn. Ninang's po muna and then we'll call the Ninongs later. So please stay at the side.
Kulang po ng isa doon. Okay, one, two. Pwede po.
Tapa.
Okay, one, two.
Alright, thank you so much, Ninang. Ninong's turn now. Ninongs? Okay, Sam and Roma, please get ready. Followed by the secondary sponsors and bridesmaids. So Sam and Roma first, after the Ninongs.
Tayo din po kayo sa kanila. Sa ano po? Si Kuya po, ano lang po sa side, parang sa side. Si Kuya. Dito po kayo, pag ano. Yan. So, window. Pasok po kayo, tayo. Alright, Kuya po, tingin dito. Okay, one, two.
Thank you so much, Ninongs, Roma and Sam. And then groomsmen and bridesmaids, please get ready as well so our flow will be a little bit faster.
Okay.
So Roma and Sam stay there after the Victoria. So the groomsmen and bridesmaids will be. Right? Okay. Please go up. Secondary sponsors, groomsmen and bridesmaids. And then if you, all the kids, the ring bearer, flower girls, Bible bearer, please get ready as well. Jeria, Charles, Lucas. Later, Lucas.
Ito ulit po. Nandiyan din ako malapit.
Okay? Mag-move nga kayo ng konti, ano, and then we'll just form a semicircle para maka-fit in lahat. Move back ka, ano, move back.
Luke.
May lamesa kasi kuya dyan.
our little ones will join you. So kids in front. And then after this, guys, please go down for a bit so that our kids will have a moment, and then I will call all the girls and then the boys after.
Alright, ready, for... Oops. Pakipulot.
Okay, guys, go down first. Kids, stay. So guys, just wait on the side first. And we will call all the ladies afterwards.
Okay, ready?
For all the guests that are waiting, we also have our guest books there at the back with our ushers. Our ushers can help you. It's an in-stock spot. So magpapapicture po kayo and then you will sign your wishes to our couple. So our ushers can actually help you find the entrance po. So please feel free to go there. Okay, ladies, go up please. Followed by the guys after this. And then we will proceed with our recessional. We will have a 45-minute to 1 hour break, yes. So you will have time to sign our guest book as well as join our photo booth by the entrance. So please feel free to relax on washroom break before we proceed to our second part of the program, which is our reception.
Just perfect. Wala, sabi sa inyo,
Okay, guys? So after you can go down and please get ready with our recessional after this, after the pictorial of our bride and groom. So, boys, please go up.
Tapos mo ba yung ilahin natin, babae, lalaki. Si Joanna, lalakad sila.
Boys, please go up now. Boys, go upstairs, please. Join our bride and groom for the pictorial and then of course the pictorial for our bride and groom.
okay, one.
Alright, and a picture taking for our bride and groom as well. Ay, Bobby, there's more. Oh, kulit ang mga lalaki. Alright, okay, now it's Joanna and Lloyd's moment.
Dalawa kayo. Ano, Floyd?
Ikaw lang ba yan? Para siya. Ano ka? Yan. Talikod ka sa kanila dyan. Pulte. Biling ka. Yan. Wala ka siya. Yan. Hawak dito ko. Brad. Lumuyak. Yan. Tapos harapan. Okay na kaya?
While we're doing the recessional and picture taking for the bride and groom, Jayran will give us a special number.
Yan, yan, ganyan.
Please give Jayran a big hand of applause.